What's up everybody, welcome back to another episode of Food Arrow. Today, we're unboxing the Wüsthof Classic 6-inch chef's knife. Let's get started. I should point out that this is not a sponsored video, and we bought this knife with our own hard-earned cash. The very first impression I have is it's got some weight to it, which is definitely a good thing because that means the knife will do more of the work for you. The handle and the blade are pretty evenly balanced, which allows for more control when making your cuts. This knife has a full bolster and finger guard to prevent you from cutting yourself because it's a very sharp knife straight out of the box. It's well crafted from one single piece of steel. For a size comparison, the handle feels durable and really comfortable in your hands. I could see myself using this knife for a long time before I get tired. Let's stop pretending and actually test this thing out. This would be a great starter knife for anyone who's just learning how to use a chef's knife, or anyone who has small hands because it's small enough where it's easy to control and it's not too intimidating, and overall seems like a pretty solid build. Check us out on Instagram, and if you want to see more content like this, subscribe to the channel. Until then, happy eating.